Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into it. The benefits of the new beta version of Wondershare are amazing. Before this release, I was forced to go to third-party websites for AI tools like Vocal Remover and Music Maker. But with this new update, all of that is about to change for the small-time creator, and also the larger ones. What I am doing is seeing how fast I can create a random piece of content. Remember, I am an amateur at editing, and within weeks, have already picked up on the advanced features Wondershare offers due to its ease of access and availability of certain modern-day tools, like the AI tools we are about to get into. This is one of the new many features Wondershare 13 offers, the ability to generate copyright-free music. Even the song you're hearing now in the background is AI-generated, which is surprising, considering how well-produced it is. How this works is you simply pick the type of mood you want for your piece of content. Hopefully they will add scary and other themes later on. But for now, these are fantastic. You have travel, cinematic, sport, dance, and vlog. I chose to go with dance on this first one. You then select how long you want the song for, which can go up to 10 minutes, and how many different ones you want. The maximum amount is 5 at a time. In the bottom left corner, you can see that credits are needed, but at this time, the amount says unlimited. Not sure if this is going to change later on or not. This is another new feature in the new Wondershare, an aesthetic upgrade from the last. You now have a carousel feature where you can click on a category, in this case, Happy Thanksgiving, and see all of the relevant songs and pictures. If you haven't gone out and purchased the premium effects, give it a shot. It makes your videos that much more relevant. Plus, I think they update it frequently, because each time I go to select another piece of media, I see new stuff I place as my favorite, for a later date. Before we conclude this video, I just want to show you another example of an AI-generated track. In this case, I chose the type of mode I want to be epic and a vlog theme. This generated a rather Braveheart-style track, but with a vlog-style twist that would make Jake Paul in his earlier days smile. Back when he was a popular vlogger, that is. Okay, that concludes the video today, folks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you.